All right, guys, we just set up with the Root Activator shampoo, and now we are about to go with the Root Activator Conditioner. So, lining it up together, once you got one, let's go with the other, kind of have the whole package, making it happen here. So let's go ahead and open it up. It says, after washing the hair with the Root Activator shampoo, apply a generous amount and massage for 1 to 2 minutes. For a better overall result, you're going to leave in for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water until it is completely washed out. This is not a leave-in conditioner. And for regular results, you want to hydrate your hair often. Guys, here's the whole package itself. They do have a black version of this and a white version, and that's what we got is the white version here. And here's the Root Activator by Balsamica. Right there. Thicker, awesome hair. Let's go ahead and open it up. You do have an opening factor. Let's go ahead and get that happen. So you're just going to twist to the right. It pops open just like so. And we're going to get a little bit. A couple pumps. Watch her activate. And there you have it. Just like that. A little bit needed. No worries. All right. So here we go. Let's see. We're going to rub it in. Oh, yeah. This has a different smell to it than the shampoo itself. The shampoo has a really light, fragrancy smell, more of shampoo-y. This has got more of a light, conditioner-y smell. So if that gives you any indication of what it is, but we rubbed it in really good here without any issues. Just loving it like that. So as we've got it in, obviously you're going to do this for 1 to 3 minutes. Now, as we speed up the video, we're going to show you guys, once you've done 1 to 3 minutes or an extra 2 to 3 on top of that, all you're going to do is rinse it out thoroughly. So, here we go.
It does have a good smell.
You can smell it over there, Sky?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, just like that, you're going to rinse it out thoroughly. And I think this is a very light material. So it's not something that's super thick in the hair and you're going to have problems with. And I'm kind of digging that aspect. So super light and airy within the hair. No issues right there with regards to it. And just like that, I was able to rinse it out and not have any problems. Guys, this is awesome stuff. This is Balsamica. This is their Root Activator Conditioner that you definitely got to check out if you're looking to upgrade your hair game. Check it out.